called the language of self-love as a fluent expression. Fluent, meaning what? I understand it clearly. My self-love is designed around me meditating. My self-love is designed around me relaxing and listening to the birds sing. My self-love is about doing nothing, freeing my mind in a manner to where I hear nothing inside a void of nothingness. Self-love. Now, I have an option. I have an option to buy self-love from the local retail store. I have an option to buy love flying a plane to a destination. When I do those type self-love events, they end. It's an end time. If it's a return home, if it's a credit card swipe, that service ends. But one thing would never end is the service to ourselves. We can do it every day that we awake. Make sure that we are beautiful in the skin that we're in, self-love. Making sure that we are happy with where we are in our life phase, self-love. Making sure that the things we do are derived from our say-so, self-love. Making sure the inherited beliefs or imprinted patterns that we experience that direct our actions are ours, self-love. Understanding that we never need external approval. We never need to belong to a group that may or may not approve of us, depending on the environment. Or, here's the kicker, depending on their phase of their life they're in. Yeah. Self-love is so amazingly wonderful. It doesn't cost a penny. The only thing it costs is listening. The language of silence, listening to yourself and appreciating you as that gift to yourself and a gift to this universe to do good. Self-love. Yeah. Self-love matters. It matters so much that we know that if we don't love ourselves free of charge, it could be destructive. It could cause us to kick rocks because people don't approve. People don't show appreciation. People are not considerate. People look at us as a source of energy. But self-love sees you as the nucleus of your universe, of you within your bubble. Self-love as a fluid expression. Yeah, I understand that completely. Yeah.